All right, so this is the entrance to Pee Wee Cave. Our only problem, a lot of water between us and that. All right, so our first challenge here is across Rattling Creek. Yeah, look at that color, that's so green. Pee Wee Cave is back in there, so instead of crossing from the car, trying to cross the creek here, we're just going to come down here to where we can walk to the other side, and we'll try and make our way back that side. So in the rocks over here, it looks like there's going to be a lot of holes here. All this almost looks tectonic a little bit. There's kind of a path here along the rock. Definitely a traveled on path here, so we're not technically bushwhacking. Yeah, this is actually a nice little path. I'm glad we came this way. Didn't try and get wet. That water was really cold. Yeah, right between here is where we wanted to cross. Between this fall and that fall is where we wanted to cross. So the cave is like right here. Yeah, that's gonna be pretty easy to tackle. I do need some hands though. Pee Wee Cave actually looks pretty intimidating when you're right in front of it. We'll get some lights on and go in and check it out. Alright, heading in the Pee Wee Cave. Some ice here. Boy, it's a wet spider web actually. I think that was iced. Alright, so we're lighting this sucker up. So can't quite stand up, stooped over a bit. Try to keep my balance. Am I seeing an optical illusion back there, or is that really deep, clear water that I'm seeing down into? No, yeah, no, that's reflective. For a while, like, I looked really back by that stone.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Like, it looks like a really deep pool. It's not.
Yeah.
It's just a reflection, I think, from the roof. But you can only go back to about here. How far in would you think we are? Just 30 feet deep, maybe? Yeah, I think it's like 30 feet deep or so. Got some dripping up here from the ceiling. And then yeah, we just have like a pool back here at the back wall. That's a nice beam on that flashlight, dude. Yeah, so that's the very back of Pee Wee Cave. So the light in here, it looks like it was cleaned up a little bit. The video I saw online is really kind of dirty in here and trashed up and everything. So yeah, here we go. Legs are getting cramped up a little bit here. It's yeah, can't really stand in here. But pretty awesome, right off the park road here. What do you think?
Awesome.
Yeah.
Yeah. Cramped, but awesome.
Your legs killing you?
A little bit.
All right.
Lives up to its name, Pee Wee.
Definitely. What do you see?
It almost looks like some type of fossil.
Oh, there's ridges.
Yeah.
Yeah. Fossils in Pee Wee Cave. Confirmed. Or it's aliens. Probably fossils.
Yeah.
So after Rattling Creek goes north past Pee Wee Cave, past Love Rock, it eventually flows along the south side of Lykens. On the west side of Lykens, it meets up with the Wyconisco Creek. The Wyconisco Creek then meanders, serpentine meandering all the way out to the Susquehanna. It's about 16 miles directly, but I would wager that waterway has 30 plus miles just because of the winding serpentine path that it takes out to the Susquehanna. All right, so I told you there was one thing I could find online regarding Pee Wee Cave. Like, there's not a lot of documentation on this cave. I found a bit transcribed from a Friday, September 4th, 1931 newspaper article. Ring a bell?
No.
Good. I found something Cole didn't find. It was in the local interest section, and it said, corn and weenie roast, Tuesday evening. A corn and weenie roast was held at Pee Wee Cave, and a most enjoyable evening spent by the following: Mr. and Mrs. William H. And then it ends. Macy probably, but yeah, no. Somebody had an enjoyable time at a corn and weenie roast on September 2nd, Tuesday, September 2nd, 1931. You invited me to Lovers Rock earlier, and we had a blast. So I'm inviting you on Tuesday, September 2nd, 2031. Let's have a corn and weenie roast here. There's a fire pit that we're standing on. Corn and weenie roast?
I'm in.
Okay, it's like 7 years from now. All right.
It's a date.
I think this is the exact moment when Cole regretted ever commenting on one of my videos. Corn and Weenie Roast, Pee Wee Cave, Tuesday, September 2nd, 2031. Be here. That's about it from here. If you like Pee Wee Cave, like what we were doing today, please like, subscribe, ring the bell, check out Cole on Instagram. I'll put his link below as always. Thanks for drone footage today. It was awesome. Gonna finish out this video by going under Rattling Creek for you. See you next time.